your short, your trouser on the side. And another buddy on your side.
Yeah, they will hold other one.
Hold it.
Hakuna Matata.
Your website shouldn't just say you offer Mount Kilimanjaro climbs. It should clearly guide travelers through the process: routes, difficulty levels, climbing days, packing lists, pricing, and what to expect. The easier the information is to understand, the easier it is for travelers to book with confidence.
See some information of Sierra route. Maybe we are here somewhere. Right. And this is the Kibo. So maybe we are somewhere here. Then we will go for one of the stand somewhere here. Kibo. We are not going there, but let's see how far we can go. And the way of going to the top, you have to approach here closer. So if you're selling Kilimanjaro, make sure have availability of map on the website so they can understand before they choose the routes. People thought Sierra route is one of the hardest route, or every route has their own unique value. Every route has their own selling perspective, like USP. And you cannot compare Limosho to Sierra or Rongai to Machame, right? Is these informations like what I am feeling now after coming to Sierra route? Is those information available on your website? If not, make sure that the availability must be there. Somebody from the US or UK see on the website, because they never been to Tanzania. How they will been to Tanzania? By your website. Website is the window to make them feel. So we call it as virtual tour. So do some video like that, bring your guides, talk about these things, how to approach, blah, blah, blah. Show them. So it's easy for them. So this is how you sell more and more Kilimanjaro, more and more Sierra route.